Ciao, this is Chiara and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful and super fluffy scarf. For this project I use Passion Fruit by Lane Mondial. You can find more information in the info box below. You need a 7mm hook and 3 buttons. To begin your project, we are going to start by making chain. So first of all, you want to create your slip knot. I'm going to chain 32. Work into the third chain from hook and we're going to do a double crochet in here. So just continue to double crochet into each chain. The row 1 is complete. Turning chain. As you can see, this eyelash yarn, it can be a little bit difficult to see the stitch, so we work 1 double crochet into the space between the double crochet of the previous row. And continue to double crochet into each space. The row 2 is complete. Now turning chain and 1 double crochet into the space between the 2 double crochet of the previous row. Be careful to work into each spaces. And now you're just going to keep repeating row until your project measures about 113 centimeters. My scarf is now complete. Look at these beautiful colors. And now I put 3 buttons in the long side. How do you have to place them? Is very simple, because you have to fold the scarf by placing the short side on the long side. So you fold like this and take the short side into the long side, and here we put the buttons, we sew the buttons. It's not important to create a buttonhole, because the button will pass between the double crochet. Okay, now you can turn the scarf on your neck like this, and if you want you can sew a smaller button on the back to keep the scarf better. This beautiful and super fluffy scarf is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!